guys, it's time to do an oil change on Moggy, and today I'm gonna show the girls that you can do it as well.
And
Got it. Who wants to touch my hands?
No.
And while it's raining, you have heaps of time to drink more beer. Make sure you don't just only drain your oil, you change your filters as well, because we've seen videos where people did just one or the other, but make sure you do both. And again.
she's caught them all so far.
Yeah, not like my first oil change in the Sprinter van. While we're waiting, we'll give you some more info. So usually we change our oil between every 5 and 10,000 kilometers. Obviously sometimes you're traveling a bit more and then you would like stretch it out a bit longer. But yeah, it was definitely time to do it now. There's actually a YouTube video about oil changes after, I think it was 10,000 kilometers, 20,000 and 30,000 kilometers. We'll put in the link somewhere so you can have a look how the oil actually changes the longer you leave it in there and why you should do regular oil changes. Right, we're now changing all the washers and O-rings. So we'll start with our drain plug of the first filter. And now we're taking off the entire filter. We're using a bit of fresh oil and we're lubricating that O-ring. And then the new one, and we'll put it in. Both oil filters are done, and now we are putting the drain plug back in with a new washer. And don't drop it. So good that you can just sit under the mark, you don't have to lay down, and it's easy to get out again. Once the oil was filled up, Patrick decided to grease all the Unimog nipples, which we do a lot more often than oil changes.